Want to know how to browse or search for souls in the Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and you should be provided with this interface right here. So you should be under the Maths tab first. And right beside the Maths tab, you should be seeing something known as search. Just simply select it. And once you have done that, you should be on the search tab right here. So once you're under the search tab right here, you should be seeing where you can simply search for various interests and much more, and you can just simply search for it or just simply select from other interests right here. So I'll just go for drawing right here, and once I select drawing here, you should be seeing like various posts coming up. Now in order to find souls, just simply select souls, that should be right beside joins, and you can just simply see souls as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.